Today I'm taking a look at the Firecore telescoping pole. So this does come with a bag, which is nice. Here we got what looks like a foot. It does have a rubber cushion on it. Here we have a laser level holder. It looks like this is designed to be screwed into the wall. We have a 5/8 adapter on there for our laser level, and then we got a 1/4-20 underneath it. We have another foot. This is interesting. We actually have a clamp here, so this can attach to this. So you could clamp that directly to a wooden beam, and because that has a V-cut in it, we could also use this to clamp onto that pole. And in the front pouch, we have got our spring-loaded pole. So this ball will just snap onto this foot. And then in the large pouch, so we have this pole. It has a rubber foot on the bottom. It has a gauge on it so you can tell exactly how tall this is going to be. This pole is extendable, and that locks in place just by twisting it. And it looks like we got the same thing here. That's actually very nice because most of the time when I see these, the top of one threads onto the next one, so you just take a bunch of poles and you thread them all together. This is a much more compact design. Now it does have a male end on one side and a female end on the other, so if we wanted to, we could just take this foot and put it on there, or we could take this pole and we could thread that in. So this pole is just an extension in case you need it. Now with these two together, and with nothing on top, we're looking at about 6 foot 4 inches. But we do got to keep in mind, we got to put this on there as well, because that spring is going to be what actually gives us our tension. It is already almost too tall for this ceiling. I think I might just be able to make that work. Yeah, I can. So we've got it stuck into the ground there, and going all the way to the ceiling. Got a little bit of flex in there, but that'll still be plenty rigid enough for holding on to a laser level. Now what's cool about this is we have not extended this piece yet, or this piece yet, so you can go much taller than that. And that is just about 8 feet. Looks like it's about an inch short of 8 feet. So if we extend that out, we are looking at 13 feet 2 inches. So you could put this on some fairly tall ceilings if you needed to. If your ceiling is shorter than 8 feet, unthread this guy, and we could get as short as about 5.5 inches. So I think the smarter way to do this is going to be to extend this up with the spring on the bottom. That way I can push down on the spring, lock that in place, and then just use the spring to hold it. So now I can take this clamp that onto my pole, and I can just put that literally anywhere I need to on that pole, so I got the exact height measurement that I need. And I can use my laser level. So that's going to be much more convenient than trying to use something like a light stand, just because of the light stand, trying to get that to the exact measurement can actually be quite a bit of work. But with this, with a simple spring mechanism, all I got to do is shove that guy down and then pin that against the ceiling. I can easily move it, so if I need that in another spot, I already got the height set, and that is not going to be a problem either. Of course, I'm going to have to get that straighter. There we go. So overall, I'm happy with that.